Hey there, tech fans! Are you ready to dive into the most epic gaming monitor of the year? Say hello to the SANSUI 34-inch curved gaming monitor, the ultimate beast for serious gamers and esports enthusiasts. This 34-inch curved wonder is a game-changer, folks. Let's start with its stunning resolution, 3440 by 1440 pixels, also known as UWQHD. That means you'll be enjoying an incredible 3,440 horizontal lines of crisp, sharp text and graphics, perfect for sniping noobs or crushing your friends in Fortnite. But what really sets this monitor apart is its lightning-fast refresh rate. You can choose from two modes, 165 Hz or 200 Hz. For those who don't know, that means you'll be getting an incredibly smooth gaming experience with minimal screen tearing or lag. It's like butter, folks, smooth and silky. And let's not forget about the response time. At a blistering 1 millisecond, this monitor can handle even the most intense game sessions without breaking a sweat. That means no annoying ghosting or trailing, just pure, unadulterated gaming bliss. But wait, there's more. This SANSUI monster also comes equipped with some seriously cool AI features. For one, you'll get AI blue light reduction, which helps reduce eye strain by adjusting the color temperature of your screen. It's like having a personal eye doctor built right into your monitor. And if that's not enough, you'll also get AI Crosshair, which adjusts the cursor size and speed to match your gaming style. No more tiny cursors ruining your aim. This feature has got you covered. But what about the ergonomics? Don't worry, SANSUI's got you back there too. This monitor comes with a tilt stand that can be adjusted from -5 degrees to 15 degrees, and it's also Visa compatible. That means you can mount it on your desk or wall without any hassle. Now, let's talk about the input and output options. You'll get two HDMI ports, each capable of 200 Hz, as well as a DP port for connecting external devices. There are no speakers, sadly, but hey, who needs M when you've got AI blue light reduction to save your eyes? One thing that might interest some of our more technical viewers is the support for VRR, variable refresh rate. Essentially, this means that your monitor can adapt to the frame rate of whatever game you're playing. It's like having a personal gaming coach built right into your monitor. But don't just take my word for it, let's check out some real-world specs. With a 1500 curvature and a 178 degrees wide viewing angle, this monitor is perfect for marathon gaming sessions with friends or family. Now, I know what you're thinking, is this thing reliable? Well, let me tell you, SANSUI backs its product with an amazing warranty. If you're not completely satisfied within the first 30 days of purchase, you can get a full refund or exchange it for free. And even if there's an issue after that, they've got lifetime technical support to help you out. So what do you think? Ready to take your gaming experience to the next level with the SANSUI 34-inch curved gaming monitor? I know I am. Trust me when I say, this thing is a game changer. Get ready to dominate the gaming world. Want to snag yourself one of these epic monitors at the best price? Check out the link below and start gaming like a pro today.